Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we're in the kitchen and we're making your favorite candied pecans. Now, this is a typical recipe that's usually made in the oven. However, I decided to go ahead and make these in my air fryer because I love my air fryer. Now, the benefit of making these in your air fryer is that you can do it in about half the amount of time it takes to make in your oven. Now, of course, you can still put this recipe in your oven. However, I'm gonna show you how to do it in the air fryer. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to go ahead and grab a large egg and we're going to separate the egg whites from the yolk. Of course, it takes a little bit of skill, but as you can see, I let that egg white fall in the bowl and I'm going to save that egg yolk for later. I'm going to scramble it later. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add some water and I'm going to add some vanilla extract, not the fake stuff, the real stuff. And then I'm going to grab a whisk and I'm going to whisk this until it becomes frothy. Now you got to use your arms a little bit. It's probably going to take about 2 to 3 minutes of whisking till it gets nice and frothy. Not too frothy, but frothy like this. All right, now I've got some pecan halves. It's about 1 pound of pecan halves I'm going to add to this large bowl, and I'm going to make sure that I stir this up to make sure that all my pecan halves get nice and coated. See, there's another shot, making sure all those pecans are covered. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some white sugar as well as some packed brown sugar. I'm also going to add some cinnamon and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to go ahead and stir that up to make sure all the pecan pieces are nicely coated with this sugar cinnamon mixture. So now that we've got our pecans all covered with the sugar mixture, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our air fryer basket. So I've got my air fryer basket here. And as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put those pecan pieces in there. And now I'm using my 5.3 quart air fryer, so the basket is a little bit larger than most air fryers. As you can see, I'm going to spread those pecans over the bottom of the basket so that they're going to still be over covering each other, but that's okay because we're going to stir these every 5 minutes and we're only going to have to cook them for 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and put it in our air fryer. So that's after the first 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and stir that, and I'm going to do that again after another 5 minutes. So our timer has just gone off on our pecans, and I'm going to go ahead and take them out the air fryer and put them on this baking sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. All right, and there is after 15 minutes of stirring every 5 minutes. Now, after we spread these out on the parchment lined paper, we're gonna let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. That gives us time for that sugar to harden up a little bit so that your pecans stay nice and crunchy. Now, if you're wondering what to do with all of these candied pecans, I mean, you can keep them for yourself or put them in little mason jars, put a little bit of ribbon around them and give them away for Christmas gifts. I think that's the perfect idea. See? They're perfect for topping on salads. They're perfect for snacking. They're absolutely delicious. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up to tell me that you liked it. Until the next time, bye.